Thank you for watching. If you want to see every new mobile unboxing, review, and hidden feature before anyone else, then hit that subscribe button now. Join our family today and never miss an update on the latest smartphones. Your support means the world, and together we'll explore every mobile of 2025 and beyond. So, press subscribe and be part of this amazing journey.
Welcome back to ProMonk family. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the Infinix Zero 60 Pro. This device is not just another phone in the Zero series, but a major leap forward in design, performance, and user experience. If you're an Infinix fan or simply looking for a flagship-style phone at a mid-range price, you're going to love what this beast has to offer. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Infinix Zero 60 Pro comes with a stunning premium glass back that shines beautifully under the light. Its curved edges and ultra-slim profile make it not only stylish but also very comfortable to hold. On the back, you'll find an elegant camera module that looks modern and classy, giving this phone a true flagship feel. Infinix has clearly put in a lot of effort to make sure the Zero 60 Pro stands out in terms of aesthetics. Moving on to the display, this phone features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED curved display with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means everything you do on this phone, whether it's scrolling through social media, watching movies, or playing games, looks incredibly smooth and vibrant. The colors are sharp, the brightness levels are high enough for outdoor use, and the curved design adds an immersive viewing experience that you usually only find in much more expensive devices. Now, let's get into the performance. The Infinix Zero 60 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8055G processor. This chipset is known for delivering strong performance in both everyday use and heavy gaming. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, you'll have more than enough power and space for multitasking, gaming, and storing your favorite apps, videos, and photos. And with 5G connectivity, you're future-proofed for blazing fast internet speeds. But the real star of the show is the camera system. The Infinix Zero 60 Pro comes with a 108-megapixels OIS Main Camera, supported by ultra-wide and depth sensors. Thanks to optical image stabilization, your shots will stay sharp and clear even in low light or when your hands aren't perfectly steady. Video recording also looks great with 4K support, giving you professional-level quality right from your smartphone. On the front, you get a 32-megapixel selfie camera that captures crisp and detailed selfies, making it perfect for social media creators and vloggers. Battery life is another strong point of this device. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Zero 60 Pro easily lasts a full day of heavy use. And when it's time to recharge, you'll love the 100W super fast charging that powers up the phone in no time. This feature alone sets it apart from many other competitors in the same price range. On the software side, the phone runs on XOS 14 based on Android 14, bringing you a clean, customizable, and smooth interface with plenty of smart features. Infinix has also focused on security and regular updates, which makes the overall user experience even better. So, what's the verdict? The Infinix Zero 60 Pro is not just a phone, it's a complete package, combining a flagship-level design, a stunning AMOLED curved display, a powerful chipset, a versatile camera system, and ultra-fast charging. And the best part is, Infinix manages to deliver all of this at a price that is far more affordable than most competitors. If you're looking for a smartphone that gives you premium features without breaking the bank, the Infinix Zero 60 Pro should definitely be on the top of your list. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Infinix Zero 60 Pro, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ProMonk for more amazing tech updates and reviews. Until next time, stay tuned, stay techy.